Have you ever wondered what $149,000 can get you in Playa del Carmen? Well, I'm going to show you right now. We're in the heart of Playa del Carmen, only about a 10-minute walk to the beach. We're close to tons of different amenities, and this one bedroom is priced to sell, and it is currently generating some amazing income. Come with me and I'll give you a tour. All right, guys, follow me. On the left, you're gonna find this beautiful lobby area. This is gonna be where you get your guests checked in, they can get their keys and all that good stuff. And as we move in, you're gonna see this grand foyer, lots of greenery, water feature, and this is the entrance and lobby, the first impression that your guests get. Now let's go check out the unit. Okay guys, welcome to this one bedroom unit. Come with me, and as soon as you walk in, you're gonna find on the left-hand side, beautiful pull-out couch for extra bodies. It's great for short-term rental. You're gonna have a sunken in, large flat screen TV. Also, this unit comes fully furnished, just to make a mental note of that. On my left, you have a bathroom here, fully tiled shower. And as we turn around, you're gonna find that in this kitchen, you have everything you possibly need, from a full-size fridge, quartz countertop, sink, 4-burner stovetop, stove, microwave, hood fan. It's literally everything you need to having. Plus, you're so close to all the local shops, grocery stores, restaurants. It's perfect. Great spot to eat. Now come check out the bedroom. You'll notice this is a large bedroom, king-size bed, beautiful backdrop as well. And of course you have your, again, flat screen, sunken TV. You have a nice little terrace area with this beautiful green wall. This is an entry-level model, and it's in such a good location that would be good in short-term rental as well as long-term rental. And of course, how could we forget, we have this beautiful built-in closet, extra drawers, and it just goes so well. Now, let's go check out the rooftop. All right, guys, welcome to the rooftop. This is where all the fun happens. Here you're gonna find a beautiful infinity pool, a lounge area over there, a couple of the penthouse units as well. Just a place to relax, chill out, enjoy a cocktail, and cool off, and enjoy the beautiful scenery. Really nice feature about this building in particular as well is that you have underground parking. It keeps your vehicles out of the sun, and when you come to it in the morning, it's ready to go. There's also bike parking and laundry down here for the whole building. Plus, there's tons of public parking right on the street just outside. And you have common laundry here that your tenants or your guests can use. All right, guys, thanks for taking the tour with me. If you want more information like HOA fees, floor plans, and how the whole buying process works, you can reach out directly. As well, in the link below, I put together a 12-minute video highlighting the best investment properties and locations throughout the Riviera Maya, and there's also a free buyer's guide. Check it out, and I'll see you on the next video.